Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can operate your Dyson fan even if you've lost the remote control. Obviously the features are going to be limited, but at least you can change the speed of the fan, which is going to be one of the most important things. So let's put that to one side. The only button that we have is a power button here. So when we turn it on, it will remember its last setting. In this instance it was 5. But now if we want to change it, all we have to do is hold down that power button and it will cycle all the way up and then all the way down and all the way up and all the way down until you let go at the setting you want it to be. So watch this, I'm holding it in now and you can see it's getting faster all the way to 10 and now it's going back down again. So let's say if we wanted to stop it at 9, I would keep holding it until we get to 9 and then I will let go. Then if you want to change it to 1, you hold it down, let it cycle all the way down to 1. And there we go, it will stay on 1 and it will remember that setting. So now let's say if we finish for today, we're going to just turn it off, and then when we turn it back on again, it will be 1 again. So it's nice and straightforward. Obviously you can't do things like the timer and oscillate, but at least you've got that function there where you can change the speed. Thanks for watching.